You spend between 35 and 50% of your working life in meetings. Imagine what you could achieve if more stuff got done in even half of them. Your productivity could explode by a promotion grabbing 25%. Here are 3 elements that you can influence: purpose, place, and people. Firstly, call your gathering something that says what it does. An ideas workshop, a decision session, a troubleshooting group, a sign-off session. That way, people will turn up ready for action. If the meeting belongs to you, introduce a visual reminder of what it's all about. And then get someone to keep everyone on track and tell them they're allowed to be as rude about it as they need to be. Now the place. Get there first and tidy it up a bit. Move chairs, open windows, clean the board, change the flip chart paper. Make the environment one that you would want to turn up to. Carry a meeting first aid kit. Well, maybe not that. The fact is that the place needs to support the people and not work against them. Meetings are already mentally demanding. Why make them a physical test too? Lastly, the people. To save delays, check who's going to be there before you get in the room. To keep people healthy, provide a drink. Research suggests that even if we're only a tiny bit dehydrated, we can start to forget, lose focus, get headaches, and even lose our tempers. A humble bottle of water and a couple of plastic cups could actually save the day. Lastly, consider the goldfish. In the last 16 gadget-filled years, our attention spans have fallen from 12 seconds to 8. The goldfish's has stayed at 9. Oh dear. So keep the agenda short and the meeting shorter. As soon as you think attentions are wandering, change the pace or take a break. After all, you want people to leave your meeting ready to take action, not ready for therapy. So, want to make a big difference to meetings? Break some traditions. Make the title the purpose, prepare the room, and think goldfish.